All right, these are the APTRO men's cargo shorts with elastic bands. I was looking for something cool to check out and wear this summer. And these were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. So let's open these up and take a look. Came packaged real nice in this bag. Let's see what we got here. I will model these for you. I mean, I know like that guy should model these. So I'm gonna model these for you in a little bit here. And I just wanna get a look at them first of all. For whatever reason, we have little hearts on the side here. So, okay, it's a little like pull strap for you. Pull the pocket open. Actually, now I like it. That's kind of cool. So we have one pocket here, one pocket on this side. Actually, it's a double pocket. You got the big pocket here, a little side pocket maybe for your phone or something. There's Velcro on here to keep that big pocket closed. We've got a drawstring on here, which actually has the strap end sealed on it. That's kind of cool. So if they fizzle apart, at least they'll stop right here. We have a couple of back pockets, 2 back pockets on there. And on this side, we have another giant cargo pocket with 2 holders on it. I don't know why it's not the same as the other one, but anyway, nice pocket in here, second pocket. The material's a little bit thin, but that's okay because I'm looking for something in the summertime that is light and thin, and this is exactly what I'm looking for. And we have stretchy material around here. All right, a little bit about myself and my ballerina-like figure. I'm 6'2", about 240 right now, and I ordered a XXX. I should have got maybe a XXX, I think would have been perfect for me. The waist itself is very comfortable. It's pretty close to being a perfect fit. I think one size larger would have done me well. You can see it comes up to right on my kneecap. Remember, I'm 6'2". If you're a little bit shorter than me, it might come below your knees. For the most part, feels good, comfortable. I got 2 front pockets here. Got my cargo pockets on the side. No extra cargo pockets here. Well, definitely light and comfortable. Drawstring's a nice feature. Tuck that in. If you're looking for some light cargo pants to wear this summer, check out the APTRO men's cargo shorts with the elastic waistband, relaxed fit for a nice, cool, casual summer look. Male model Randy signing off.